They have to run to the pavilion. Kid, let's help them. Swipe to get Kiki and Quacky running. Kiki and Quacky have reached the pavilion. At this moment,
the rain has stopped!
Kiki and Quacky looked at the sky and saw the sun coming out and a big rainbow hanging in the sky.
Quacky, do you know why there is a rainbow after the rain? I guess the rainbow is painted by the fairy.
Where is the fairy? Quacky likes the fairy the most. The fairy has a magic wand of various colors. She must have made the rainbow. Kiki shook his head.
That's not correct. Oh, got it. It must be the little cat's work.
Look and find. Where are the little cat's drawing tools? Quacky's best friend, Little Cat, is a good painter, and he likes to paint big rainbows. It must be him who secretly painted the rainbow in the sky. Kiki shook his head again.
It's not correct either. Could you tell me who painted the rainbow? Connect them and see who painted the rainbow. Sun. Raindrop. A rainbow appears in the sky because of sunlight and raindrops. There are many colors in sunlight. When sunlight shines on a leaf, we see green. When sunlight shines on a flower, we see red. When sunlight shines on a tangerine, we see orange. That's not all. Sunlight can shine on objects and let us see red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. Aren't those the colors of the rainbow? You're right. But if sunlight has so many colors in it, why can't I usually see them? Because when all these colors are mixed up, it turns white. Then how can they be separated?
Kiki decided to help Quacky find the answer. Look, what's in his hands? It turned out to be a watering can.
Quacky, let's do an experiment and you'll get it! Hooray! We're going to do an experiment!
Turn on the faucet to fill up the watering can with water. It's filled with water. Now, turn the faucet off. Tighten the spray nozzle. Look, something magical happened. The sunlight shone on the water droplets and formed a small rainbow. The experiment is complete. Spraying water with a water can in the sunshine makes a rainbow appear.
Wow! Why does a rainbow appear when sunlight shines on small water droplets? It's easy. Let's take a look. After the rain, there are many round raindrops in the air. When sunlight gets into the raindrops, it causes reflection and refraction. What are reflection and refraction?
Let's check it out. The sunlight enters the water droplets, and the different colors in sunlight change direction and disperse, so we see 7 colors. And finally, it forms the rainbow we see.
So that's it!
Well, let me test you. What makes a rainbow appear?
Sun and raindrop.
What are the colors of the rainbow?
Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. When sunlight shines on water droplets, it is refracted and reflected and creates a rainbow.
All correct.
Hey!
Now, kid, do you know why rainbow appears after the rain?